Hello everyone, Brickships1912 here. In today's video we will be building the RMS Titanic model that you see here. Why did the aftmast of the Queen Mary fall over? So, let me get my model stuff and let's begin. But you're going to be seeing it after I've completed it, because I have already built the model. And you know what? The box is empty right now because it's constructed, but it comes with instructions. I don't need them. Get them out of the way. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. It'll be time-lapsed. So, see you all at the end of the video. You've just seen the time-lapse. Here's what it looks like. It's a nice sized model. It's a bit fidgety because of the size, but here it is. One thing I don't like is the deck cranes. Look at how giant them things are. And I couldn't even get two in because it was too big. So, you know, it's a bit sad. The lifeboats are also a bit too big, if you can see them. They're way too big. It's a good starter model. Hang on. I'll get down Titanic and you can see a 1 to 1200 scale to a 1 to 200 scale. Oh. Now, go this way. Crunch. That's how big it is. Actually, I'll get a 1 to 1000. 1 to 1000 scale. And just for a bonus, I'll get my first model that I ever built. One to 700 scale. So it's pretty small. There's a lot of detail for how small it is too, by the way. You're not getting cheaped out on it. I'm pretty proud of this one. It's a massive improvement on these two, where the boat deck is lifting on this and this is missing pieces and falling apart. But oh well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.